In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a text or image, or you can even upload something from your drive. Once you're on your site, you have your top three choices over here: Insert, Pages, Themes. I'm going to click on Insert, and you have your choices of images, your text box. You can embed something if you want, with YouTube or a calendar or maybe a location, depending on what you're using the site for. So if I wanted to upload something from my drive, I've clicked insert up here. I'm going to go down to Google Drive, and let's say I want the kids to see a civilization project here. Then that's the slides. It's already popped up here, and you can change the presentation settings where it automatically starts, delay it a little bit, and edit it like that. And kids want to watch it, they just click that arrow with the square right up here, and it'll take them to a new tab. So pretty easy, pretty neat. You can add a syllabus, or you could add directions to a project, or it'd be neat to add a couple of the projects the kids made. They would think that's pretty cool to be on the site. And that is how you insert on Pages.